African gray parrots are the ultimate mimics, not just repeating words, but understanding context and forming sentences. Then we have the Amazon parrot, known for its lively laughter and emotional speech. Indian ringnecks are smaller but quick learners, often obsessively repeating phrases. Eclectus parrots have soft, human-like voices and use their speech to get attention. Budgerigars, despite their size, can learn hundreds of words and chatter rapidly. Quaker parrots are naturally talkative, mimicking phrases in a bubbly tone. Cockatiels may have a limited vocabulary, but they charm with their whistles and tunes. The yellow-naped Amazon excels in articulate speech and even melodies. Macaws, with their deep voices, playfully mimic short phrases, while cockatoos combine vocal mimicry with expressive body language and dance. Each of these parrots brings a unique flair to the art of mimicry.